Hey guys, it's Madeline. Thank you so much for being here to watch my video. I am so excited because today I am doing a first impression review on the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette. I'm so thankful because my awesome mom bought me this for Christmas, but she gave it to me early because she knew that I would want to be filming this video right now. So it comes in this beautiful matte sleeve. There's actually some pretty good weight to it, so that kind of indicates that it's going to be good quality, or at least I think so. And when you take the sleeve off, this is what the palette looks like, and then oh, it's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So this palette comes with 6 tones and 4 different finishes. So we have the glitter metallic sequin matte down here. And then the shades are Memory, Ritual, Story, Soothe, Aura, and Poet. And this palette retails for $48. She did sell out on her launch day, but it actually took her all day to sell out. So that was incredible. Huge props to her and her team for creating enough palettes for launch day. A lot of people are like, oh, sorry, sold out in 10 minutes. I'm so excited to see what other volumes she comes out with. If you were not able to snatch this up when she launched it, you were not out of luck. You can pre-order this palette and have it delivered by the 15th, I think it said. If you're wanting it for Christmas, you should be able to have it before then. I'm first gonna be taking the matte Aura tone here. Gosh, I love that this whole thing is a mirror. So I'm just gonna start by patting the shade all over my lids.
Everybody's climbing, trying to get to the show.
I'm then gonna take the matte Soothe shade right here. Whoa. Okay, you definitely do not have to dip your brush in as hard as I just did. I'm just gonna buff this shade into my crease. Holy cow.
Life is money, and you're just a hoe.
Wow, that just blended out so effortlessly. I don't even have any words. It's so gorgeous. I also love that the color is exactly the same on my skin as it is in the palette, because I have come across that problem with some other palettes where it looks like a nice tan shade in the palette, but then you pop it on your eye and it looks super orange. And that did not happen with this. So it does have true color payoff, which is fantastic. I forgot to say too that there are 24 eyeshadows in this palette. I think the price is very reasonable, and I'm sure that Tati could have priced this palette way higher, but she definitely kept the price in mind for everyone who be able to hopefully afford it and not completely break the bank. Today I am gonna do a halo eye because I think I will be able to test out more colors by doing that. I'm just gonna buff the matte Soothe underneath my eyes.
Don't take it personal.
The only video that I watched on this palette is Tati's. I didn't want to watch any other tutorials on it because I wanted to be able to look at this and create my own look without having any preconceived ideas, premeditated. You guys know what I mean. I didn't want to be swayed by another YouTuber's creation with this palette. But after I record this, I will be watching Casey Holmes' video because she is also one of my all-time favorite YouTubers. I don't think my skin likes the material of my cardigan because I'm looking pretty blotchy. And I'm not warm and not anxious though. For my next move, I really want to try one of these sequin shades. So let's go ahead and take Ritual. I'm gonna buff this into my crease as well. Look at this. You do not have to dip your brush hard into this palette at all. The color payoff is fantastic. Just gonna start buffing it right in here.
I'm talking about.
It just looks so airbrushed and diffused and fabulous. I love the sheen that this texture of the eyeshadow gives. So beautiful. So I'm also going to buff this in my inner corner just to start to create that halo eye.
Me too. What else should we do? What else should we...
I just realized I lied. I did watch one tutorial on this palette last week. I don't know how I just completely forgot about that. I cannot remember the name of the YouTuber though, but it was such a good video. Hers was more involving these purple shades right here. I want to smoke out the outer part of my eye using Memory, the matte. Just gonna use a very light hand with this.
So good.
These shades are layering so beautifully.
Skin soft and smooth.
I don't think I've ever loved a black eyeshadow so much. It's not too harsh. It's not canceling out the previous shades that I applied. It's just emphasizing them and creating a beautiful smoked out finish. So now just to darken up the inner corners of my eyes, but not as dark as the outside of my eyes, I'm gonna be using the matte Ritual shade right here.
I'm talking about my knee.
I love that the product is actually staying on my eyeballs instead of falling all underneath my eyes. I am highly impressed.
I'm talking about
I'm not able to darken up in my very inner corner enough, so I'm just taking this little brush. I'm just gonna pat the matte Ritual in there.
my knee.
I'm putting a little bit of Soothe on my blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend a little bit above this just because I don't want to lose track of that shade. I'm now smudging the matte Ritual underneath my eyes. I did it so that it would be darker on the outer part of my eye and then fade into the center. I just swatched some of the glitter shades and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, and the staying power of this glitter is unreal. So I do want to put one of the glitter shades in the center of my lids, but before I do that, I am going to take one of the metallic shades with my finger. I'm going to use the Soothe Metallic right there. And I'm just going to prep the middle of my lids with this shade. The pigmentation of this palette is outstanding. OMG.
Everybody's driving all the way to nowhere.
All of these shades are going on like butter. So this is what we have so far. I'm taking a little bit more of the matte Ritual shade. Just buffing a little bit more.
No time left.
Okay, it's time for glitter. Okay, I've decided. I'm gonna go with Soothe glitter right there. And I'm also applying this with my finger.
We're dying. And then
Oh, yes.
they might care.
Oh my gosh. I already feel like a sparkly Christmas ornament. And the fact that there's only like a few specks of glitter underneath my eye is amazing, because most glittery shades in other palettes makes you look like a glitter crime scene is underneath your eyes. All you have to do is just press your finger into it. Like literally all I did was like that much.
Don't take it personal. I'm talking about me.
Okay, I do have a little bit more glitter fallout underneath this eye, but still nothing compared to others. And it's probably because I have glitter like all over my hand now. Actually, that kind of makes me want to put glitter underneath my eyes. Let's do it. So I'm taking that Soothe glitter. This is on a Morphe M213. I'm also just gonna keep this in the center. Ooh, I love it. All I can say is wow. I'm pretty sure all I'm doing is getting ready right now to eat my mom's roast. Okay guys, so this is all that I am gonna be doing for the eyeshadow today. So I'm just gonna do a thin line of eyeliner, pop on some lashes, mascara, and I'll be back. I'm also gonna do my lips too, actually. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I decided to pop on Lily lashes in the style Doha. And then on my lips, I'm wearing the ColourPop Little One Lip Liner, Huda Beauty's Staycation Matte Lipstick. And then on top of these, I'm wearing Wet n Wild's Caught You Bare Naked Liquid Catsuit High Shine lipstick. This is awesome for lightening up any sort of darker nude lipstick. It makes it look really, really good with this lipstick. I love the outcome of it. I'll zoom you guys in. Oop. I don't think that I could love that palette more if I tried.
I'm talking about me too.
And I actually really like that I put glitter underneath my eyes too. I think it turned out really beautiful. Overall, this palette is absolutely incredible. The color payoff, the shades in general, the glitter, everything about it is insanely amazing. If you love playing with eyeshadow, then you really need this palette. Just treat yourself or ask for it for Christmas. I'm so excited to play around with these other shades. I would love to do like a winter berry eyeshadow tutorial using these shades, but I hope that you guys love the way that this turned out. Let me know if you do end up purchasing this palette and how you like it. If you haven't already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join my journey on YouTube. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. I love you guys. Thank you tons for all of your support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!